Hi, this is Dr. Jennifer Tang of Tang Personalized Medicine. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about my professional background. I attended Cornell University for undergrad and also for medical school. After that, because my family and my husband's family lived in New Jersey, we went back to New Jersey for my internal medicine residency at UMDNJ Robert Wood Johnson in New Brunswick, New Jersey. That was where I was trained in internal medicine. A few years later, because of my interest in holistic medicine, I decided to attend Harvard Medical School to get trained in acupuncture and incorporated acupuncture into my practice. Years later, I became interested in studying about hypermobility, Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, and holistic root cause functional medicine because of my own personal health issues, which I will describe in a different video. So through the EDS Society, through Institute for Functional Medicine, and through the Menopause Society, I have gotten a lot of continuing medical education in these aspects and learned how to create a comprehensive holistic treatment care program for a patient who is going through similar struggles as I have. I have worked in many different patient settings in the past 20 plus years. First, I was in private practice with a small group of doctors, but that was financially very difficult to compete with hospital-owned systems. I also did work for a hospital-owned clinic, but soon became very jaded with the healthcare system in the United States, which in my opinion has become a for-profit business where you have leadership at the top who are not necessarily clinically trained, but more so focused on making decisions based on finances and running a business. So that was not the right setting for me. Finally, I came to work with the underserved population. I moved from New Jersey to California and came to work at a community health center, which is a federally qualified health center. That is a federally funded clinic for mostly Medicaid patients. And in California, we call that Medi-Cal. There I have worked for the past several years and really enjoyed this work environment because of the coworkers that I have, and I believe that this is a type of job you really go into with a servant's heart, and I enjoy that work environment. However, because of my own personal health journey, I discovered another need here in the Los Angeles area, which is somebody to treat more complex illness. I myself suffer from hypermobile Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, POTS, MCAS, autoimmune disease, and perimenopause. That seems like a long list, and I've worked very hard to be able to get to the point where I am functioning well. But I, for the most part, had to create my own treatment plan. And it really surprised me that there is nobody to be able to make a complex treatment plan for someone like me in the LA area. And this motivated me to create my passion project, which is Tang Personalized Medicine of Southern California, where I can combine my 20 years of clinical experience in outpatient internal medicine with my training in functional medicine and my training in acupuncture to get in depth with patient issues, really take the time to listen to their problems and create a personalized care plan for them.